Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I just finished grading your multi-genre introductions and I wanted to make sure you saw where you could get feedback on those. One of the things that I had mentioned last week was that if you go to your account and click on notifications, you should, well, because I'm in student view, that's not going to work. But if you do that, there's an option for you to click on submission comments and that you can be notified right away of those. So just so you know. Then, if you click on grades, it gives you a list of everything that you have scored. It tells you everything that's missing. And then these little icons here tell you whether or not I've given you comments or if there's a rubric that you can look at. So with the multi-genre project introduction, one of the ways you can check my feedback is to click here. I believe I have a comment for I think almost every single one of you. And so if you click on that, it'll just pop your comment up right here. And then the other thing I want to make sure you know is this little button here. If you click on that, it will show you the rubric that I posted, and then whether or not you got partial credit, full marks, or no marks. And then if you click on this view longer description, it just tells you like what was I looking for when I was grading your thesis or whatever. So just make sure you take a look at that. If you totally missed the mark and want to resubmit, that's fine. And if any of you are feeling like you're still kind of lost, just let me know and we can try to find a time to conference. There's a conference option here on Canvas that's really easy. We can set up a Zoom and I'm happy to do that with parents or guardians too. Okay, have a great day.